Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the demo video for my level 1 turn 1 project. I was asked to build a Sudoku game as part of my CSE 102 course, and this in front of you is the final product. This is around the 700 lines of code that we're going to show you today. This is the code we built in the past 2 months. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I present you Sudok N Titan. And I know what you're thinking now. Wait, isn't this supposed to be Sudoku? What's this then? Well, yeah, but me being me, I just wanted to add an extra pizzazz to my game, which brings us to the Attack on Titan. So now if we press play, we are brought to Hanjizo, which tells us that Commander Arwin is dead and they're looking for a new commander. And you can press next. They're saying that I am one of the top candidates. Good to know. I'll go through the story slowly as to let you read through the story. And here Levi asks for our name, and we're gonna put it as Muttakin, Takin. Now we're gonna be tested for our mental capabilities, and when we're ready, we're gonna play next, and we're brought to the game. So this is our Sudoku grid. Once we are brought to the grid, we can navigate using our keyboard like this, or we can just use our mouse to click wherever we want to go, and in any position we want, we can input our numbers using 1 to 9. Let's say 6. This is going to be a 2. We're putting random numbers right now, so let's say this is 9. We can also remove a number, like for example if you put 3 here, you can press delete and now put 6 here. We actually don't need to delete, we can just overwrite them like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can do this, and once we're satisfied, we can just submit. Okay, we just put in random numbers, so we got a -2, but here you can say we can go back to menu if you want, and you'll see there are other options here. For example, you can go to instructions, and there's a small instructions on how to play the Sudoku. There's a high score menu. You see right now Jamal has a high score of 130, Rubaiyat has 112, Asif has 90. We'll try to beat that today. And in settings, there are different kinds of settings. We can turn the music on if you want. Now I hope you can hear the music. I'm gonna turn the volume a little low so we can hear my voice. We have 3 types of music. There's one that plays in the menu, one that plays during the game, and one that plays in the end credit. And we can also change the background using this button. That is, change it to this, so the game background will be the walls today. And there's a small bit of credits. Let's see it later. First of all, we're gonna go to easy mode, because in easy mode, and now if we press play, we can skip the story because no one likes to go through the same story twice. We can put our name, skip, and now we can see the difference between hard mode, medium mode, and easy mode. In easy mode, we have a 6x6 instead of a 9x9 grid, which is much easier to solve. So let us solve it on the fly today. Let's see. So 6, 6, 6. So there's a 6 in this column, this column, this column, this column, this column. So there's going to be a 6 in this column, but it's not going to be here, it's not going to be there, it's going to be here. So in this box only a 5 is left. We can use the keyboard to navigate around it. What else we can get? There's a 1 and a 5 missing here. The 5 can't be here because of the column, so this is going to be a 1, sorry, and this is going to be a 5. So we can use the keyboard to navigate, and this is going to be a 5. Similarly, we're gonna solve it completely, and we have solved it now. So we have solved the Sudoku, and now if we submit, we get a score of 170. Now if we go back to the menu and go to high scores, we'll see our 170 is now the top score. So finally, we can see the credits. You can see developed as a project of level 1 term 1 by Muttakin Ahmed. So that is pretty much it. Link my GitHub, where you can find my project in the descriptions, and farewell.